Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to sign up on Zoom application. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Zoom application and open it, and then we will be generated into the first page. And then after that, there will be a three option here. There is join meeting, sign up, and sign in. Join meeting is when you directly have a code or a link, you can join directly. But if you haven't had any account, you just need to click sign up. But if you already have account before, you can go with the sign in. Since we want to go sign up, just click it. You will be generated into another information. You just need to follow the instruction that Zoom give to us. You can verify your age by adding the year of your birth, and then click continue. And then you can also choose either you want to do by adding the email, or another method by using the account of Apple, Google, or Facebook. Let's do it with Google. Please confirm, giving permissions, and after that you just need to choose which account that you want to use. Hold on. Okay, and now you just need to click a create account. Wait a minute. Okay, now you already have your own account. That's all the way how you sign up in Zoom application. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.